Screen a subject. If possible, dim the lights. Turn on the vision screener. The home screen appears. Touch Start and enter the subject information. Date of birth or age is required. Enter date of birth or age in a valid format. Prepare to screen the subject. Stand approximately 3 feet, 1 meter from the subject. Hold the vision screener so the front is level with the subject's eye. Keep the vision screener steady. Touch Go. The screening begins immediately. The vision screener emits the sound of chirping birds. This sound is intended to focus the subject's attention on the device. The subject results screen appears at the end of the screening process. Completed exams are saved automatically when using this process. A PDF with exam results is also generated and can be printed by touching the print icon. The troubleshooting section of the directions for use provides additional suggestions to ensure a successful screening. Quick Start option. Select age range of subject, and the screening begins immediately. The subject results screen appears at the end of the screening process. Select Home and choose if you want to save subject. If saving results, enter the subject information as covered earlier in this video. Understanding results. Spot Vision Screener can screen for and detect 6 amblyopic risk factors in children as young as 6 months. Vision risk factors include myopia, nearsightedness, hyperopia, farsightedness, astigmatism, blurred vision, anisometropia, unequal refractive power, strabismus, eye misalignment, anisocoria, unequal pupil size. Spot Vision Screener provides instant on-screen data and a printed summary report to explain the conditions detected. Pupillary distance, pupil size indicator, right eye, left eye, complete refraction, spherical equivalent, sphere, cylinder, axis, cylinder convention,